The Silver Queen gondola first started spinning on December 20th, 1986. At the time, it was the longest single-stage gondola in the world. The Queen's Haul rope, which carried 147 gondola cabins up and down the mountain for 35 years, was 4.9 miles long and weighed 97 tons. It ran almost every day for 3.5 decades and carried more than 15 million passengers. You could say it carried a lot of weight in the community. It did a lot of heavy lifting. And it was an outlier within the industry, because in all those years, it was never replaced, tensioned, or spliced. It was a workhorse and a marvel. But last year, it was time to say thank you and goodbye, to switch out the old rope for one shiny and new. Suddenly, we had 97 tons of history on our hands and not much to do with it. So we collaborated with the School of Mines down in Golden, Colorado, melting, turning, molding, and stamping that old rope into keepsakes of a more manageable size. Something we could share with the community. A gift for each of you, in honor of our 75th anniversary and in homage to our Queen. Long may she reign.